Welcome to Module 2 of this video on microorganisms, friend or foe. We will explore the usefulness of microorganisms, including curdling of milk, fermentation, nitrogen fixation, decomposers, and agar, as well as commercial uses and the fermentation process. Microorganisms are useful in several ways. For example, the curdling of milk is the process of forming curd from milk. Fermentation is the conversion of sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide without oxygen. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Another useful function is nitrogen fixation. Microbes like bacteria and blue-green algae in the soil fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate compounds. This enriches the soil with nitrogen and increases its fertility. Examples of these microbes include the bacteria Rhizobium and the blue-green algae Nostoc. Microbes also act as decomposers, breaking down dead matter into simple inorganic substances. This process produces methane gas, known as biogas, from anaerobic bacteria. They return nutrients to the soil and help keep the environment free from pollution. Without them, dead organisms would pile up on Earth. Agar is another useful substance. It is an algae extract obtained from a jelly-like substance. Agar is used in preparing various food items, such as puddings and ice cream. Algae are a rich source of vitamins A, C, D, and K. Microorganisms have many commercial uses. They are essential in the food and beverage industry, in making medicine and vaccines, in cleaning the environment through decomposition, and in agriculture, particularly for nitrogen fixation. The process of fermentation of sugar by yeast is used in manufacturing alcoholic drinks like beer and wine. The key difference between wine and beer is the source of sugar. Wine is made from fermenting sugar and grapes, while beer uses sugar and germinating barley. Fermentation is also crucial for making dough soft and fluffy. Yeast consumes sugar, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide bubbles cause the dough to rise. When baked, the gas escapes, making the bread soft and fluffy, and the heat evaporates the alcohol. In the next module, we will delve into immunity, how we naturally eradicate diseases, the concept of vaccines and vaccination, how vaccines work, how microbes enter our body, and necessary precautions while taking antibiotics.